Hey guys, I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a full review of the Samsung Galaxy A51 and I am using this phone for about 2 or 3 weeks and now I'm gonna tell you everything about this phone. So let's start off with the design language of this phone. And you can see on the back we have a L-shaped quad cameras on the back and the main sensor on the back is a 48 megapixel. We have a 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel depth sensor and also we have a new 5 megapixel macro lens which you don't see in this price range. On the front we have a 32 megapixel front camera. Now first let's show you the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have a speaker, microphone, USB-C port, headphone jack, and on the left we have a SIM tray. You can use one micro SD card with a 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full-fledged SIM slot which is a really good feature on the A51 and also we have a 128 GB internal storage. On the front we have this punch hole display. On the top we have this earpiece and the call quality is also really good on the Samsung Galaxy A51. And on the right we have volume up and volume down rocker with a power key. And also we have a in-display fingerprint scanner which is an optical fingerprint scanner, and back is also a little bit curved from the edges, give you a very handy feel. And also back is made up of glass-stick material which is the combination of glass and plastic, and the size is actually made up of plastic. And guys, I have to say that this phone give you a very premium feel when you holding this phone in your hand. Overall, regarding the design language of this phone, I'm really impressed by the design language of the Samsung Galaxy A51. This phone looks absolutely beautiful from the back, and we have a L-shaped camera which is very similar that we see on upcoming Samsung phones. And now let's talk about the display on this phone, which is a main feature of this phone, I have to say, because this phone comes with a massive 6.5-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display. And guys, you know that the Super AMOLED display, it is one of the best displays on the market right now, give you a very good brightness level. And also we have a deep blacks and the color accurate is also really good on the Samsung Galaxy A51. And also we have a punch hole display that comes with a 32 megapixel front camera, and the hole punch display is also really small on the A51. And guys, this display give you a very immersive experience when you are watching YouTube videos and also when you are playing games on this display. And also the weight balance is done very well on this phone. This phone comes with a very massive 4000 mAh battery size. Phone is very light because we have a glass stick. Overall, regarding the display quality, it is excellent on this phone. And guys, let's talk about the fingerprint scanner of this phone. And you can see fingerprint scanner speed is really faster than the Samsung Galaxy A50 that we see last year, and also it is faster than the A50s as well, which is a really good feature on this phone. Is also we have a Face ID on this phone which use the front camera. It is not very secure as the fingerprint scanner, but sometimes fingerprint scanner is work good, but sometimes I face some issues. Overall it is worked 95% all the time. And guys, now let's talk about the software of this phone. And this phone comes with a Android 10 right out the box, which is a really good feature on this phone. And also we have a new One UI 2.0 on this phone, and you can see we have Android 10 on the Samsung Galaxy A51 right out the box. And this phone give you a, and guys, you know that One UI give you a lot of features, such as we have a dark mode, and also we have NFC feature is also available on this phone. And you can see dark mode is work very well on this phone, and also this feature will increase your battery life even more. Main difference between the One UI and the One UI 2.0 that we see on the A51 is that the software is really smooth on this phone. We have this very good smooth animation when you open the app and when you go to the home and when you go to the recent. The UI is feels very smoother, and also this phone give you all the features that you normally see on Samsung phones. And the RAM management is also really good on this phone. I don't have any issues regarding the RAM management. Software is very optimized for this phone right now, and also One UI is my favorite skin of Android right now. And guys, now let's talk about the performance of this phone. And this phone comes with the Samsung Exynos 9611 chipset, which is based on the 10nm architecture. And also we have a Mali G72 GPU on this phone. This phone gives you a awesome experience. I don't feel any lag when I use this phone as my daily driver. and I did not feel any lag. And I also done the gaming test of the Samsung Galaxy A51, and games is run smooth on this phone. The PUBG Mobile is run on high settings by default. On HDR, I have to say Asphalt 9 is also run good on this phone. Overall, the performance is good on this phone, but I don't recommend this phone for hardcore gaming. If you need a gaming phone, then I definitely recommend the Redmi Note 8 Pro as well as Realme XT, which is better option than the A51. Realme XT as well as Redmi Note 8 Pro not give you a punch hole display. Overall, regarding the performance, this phone is good for day-to-day use as well as for gaming, not for hardcore gaming. If you are looking for a gaming phone, then I definitely recommend the Redmi Note 8 Pro. And also we have a 128GB internal storage with a 6GB of RAM. There is a one more variant in some another countries that comes with a 8GB RAM with a 128GB internal storage, but this is a 6GB RAM with a 128GB internal storage variant. And guys, now let's show you the camera. On the back we have a quad cameras on the back, and the main sensor on the back is a 48 megapixel with f2.0 aperture. We have a 12 megapixel ultra wide which looks like this, and you can see we have a 12 megapixel ultra wide. We have a 5 megapixel depth sensor for live focus shots, and lastly we have a new 5 megapixel macro lens which work very good most of the time in good lighting, and you can see you can take very close-up shots without any problem in good lighting condition. But I have to say that the quality of the macro lens is not good because this phone comes with a only 5 megapixel macro lens, and we have a live focus feature which is also work on objects as well as a human face. And back camera as well as the front camera can shoot 4K video with a 30 frames per second, which is a really good feature on the Samsung Galaxy A51. And also we have a super steady option which give you a very smooth video without any problem. We don't have any shake. And I also done the camera test of the Samsung Galaxy A51. If you're interested, watch that. Link will be down below in the description area. And overall, I really impressed by the camera quality on this phone. And also we have a scene optimizer which work almost all the time. And also we have some more important features in the more tab. We have a super slow-mo which is a 960 frames per second. We have a normal slow motion. Night mode is also available with the back camera as well as the front camera. And also we have a ultra wide, and night mode is also available with the normal as well as the ultra wide. And now let's see the front camera. And the front camera is a 32 megapixel that is also give you a night mode option as well. And guys, I have to say regarding the live focus, it is work very well, and live focus is only work on face, not objects. And also we have a 4K video recording with the front camera, which is a really good feature for some people. And overall, I really impressed by the camera performance of the Samsung Galaxy A51. Now let's talk about the battery life of this phone. And this phone comes with a 4000 mAh battery size that support 15-watt fast charging. And I also done the battery charging test of the Samsung Galaxy A51. If you are interested, watch that. This phone is charged from 0% to 100% in 1 hour and 52 minutes. And the battery life is also really good on this phone. And this phone give you a above 4 hours screen on time, which is a really good numbers for this big 6.5 inch Super AMOLED display. Overall, the battery life is good on this phone, not excellent, because Vivo S1 and S1 Pro comes with 4500 mAh battery size with 18-watt fast charging. And also we don't have a super fast charging, a 25-watt super fast charging on the Samsung Galaxy A51. And guys, overall I have to say this phone comes with a design language, good display, good fingerprint scanner, good back camera, good front camera, good battery life. And overall, I definitely recommend this phone. And guys, if you are looking for a phone that is between 50,000 PKR, I definitely recommend this phone. And thank you so much for watching this full review of the Samsung Galaxy A51. Let me know what you guys think about this new Samsung Galaxy A51. In my opinion, it is worth it. Subscribe to my channel for daily videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.